Tintri delivers two appliance-based solutions to its customers. One is VM Store. VM Store provides unique and very differentiated storage and data management solutions for customers with virtualized environments, Hyper-V or VMware. IntelliFlash is a unified storage system. Not only does it support virtualized environments, but also provides data services in terms of block, fiber channel, iSCSI, and, as we'll be talking about here, NAS. Both of these platforms receive a major refresh. We've brought technology from the DDN at-scale business, and we've brought it and introduced it to support Tintri VM Store and Tintri IntelliFlash. So we're talking about a new hardware platform, both hybrid and all NVMe flash, as well as talking about our new NAS capabilities on the IntelliFlash side. It's important for our customers because these new platforms deliver new levels of performance. More IOPS, more bandwidth, and also it's a very trusted platform that's been outperforming everybody for over a year on the at-scale side of our business. It's also part of our ongoing mission to deliver intelligent infrastructure. That means infrastructure systems on-prem and in the cloud that help you manage your systems, keep them more efficient, keep them optimal, whilst not consuming your resources. So how does it help that? Well, by bringing these common platforms across all our product ranges in the DDN and Tintri businesses, we leverage a lot of work that's already been done for monitoring and management of these systems, and all that gets folded in to the new product lines and the analytics associated with those. So let's talk about the H series. What we've brought to market now, as I said, is an NVMe controller, and associated with that we can attach up to 360 hard drives using a 90 bay enclosure. Again, this enclosure is very well tested. It's been working at the biggest national labs in the world, in the largest Fortune 500 companies, delivering excellent performance, very high stability, and it's very dense, so it brings very cost-effective capacity to IntelliFlash. So this strategy then with IntelliFlash, we've brought in NAS services, mature, stable, robust NAS services, NFS and SMB. And now with this new announcement, we marry that up with a hardware platform that really makes sense for the toughest NAS workloads. You have 24 NVMe drives, delivering the highest IOPS, the best throughput, and then we can extend that with cost-effective capacity up to 360 drives, and those drives can be up to 14 terabytes in this announcement, which gets us to around 5 or 6 petabytes. The new IntelliFlash H series, the hybrid platforms, will enhance the number of use cases that IntelliFlash can serve. So as well as serving fiber channel, iSCSI and supporting virtualized environments, we can also provide home directory services, general file services through NFS and SMB from that same unified storage platform. So that's very suitable for SMBs and large enterprises who need to have a very comprehensive infrastructure which is managed very efficiently in a single compact appliance. Given the performance though, and IntelliFlash has always been well known for performance and extracting the best out of these combined systems, flash and HDD based systems, it's also going to serve very well the HPC and AI markets. So mid-range HPC, universities, research centers, up to a few petabytes, 5, 6, 7 petabytes. IntelliFlash is going to be ideal for supporting those clusters of compute systems. And on the AI side, we've done a lot of work integrating with NVIDIA GPUs, and we're going to bring that experience and focus across to IntelliFlash. So that means an IntelliFlash system will serve, again, structured data AI and unstructured data AI workloads. So that means use cases in finance, in retail, doing things like consumer behavior analysis, and also performing mid-range, let's say, image and streaming inference workloads. IntelliFlash is superbly complementary to our other products, both in the Tintri business and in the DDN business. In the Tintri business, where customers need to serve more than just in virtualized environments, if they've got block workloads, databases that require block services, and if they have NAS workloads, then IntelliFlash is the right choice. Performance, efficiency, unification of all those services to relieve your administrators from having to manage multiple systems. Comparing to the products on the at-scale side, again, the complementarity is excellent. Where DDN starts is medium-scale, unstructured data, AI, HPC, big data workloads. We serve customers best when we're dealing with images, real-time video streaming at very, very large scale. And DDN starts quite small, but does scale to literally the fastest and largest storage systems in the world. IntelliFlash marries up to that beautifully by making a very, very simple experience with all those enterprise features for customers in the same use cases, same AI, HPC use cases, but they're starting at a smaller range. They're probably using structured data. They could be financial institutions, credit card companies, retail companies, people doing consumer analysis, consumer preference analysis. So whether the data is structured or if it's unstructured but not into the many tens of petabytes, then IntelliFlash is perfect. And then IntelliFlash also brings as well that enterprise ecosystem, integration with other products in that ecosystem, plus dedupe, snapshot, compression, great security features, and multi-cloud analytics. For our customers, it means they can come to DDN for more of their data challenges. DDN is a very interesting company, and we believe we're the ideal partner for companies across the spectrum of verticals and industries, because we're a very stable company, always profitable, been going for 20 years. We have 1,000 people around the world, 150 patents in storage and data management. All we do is focus on storage and data management, and our history shows we're here to stay for the long term. We're a great partner to build a new data strategy upon. Whether you're moving into AI or moving into 5G, then DDN is the ideal company to partner with to keep your data secure, keep it flexible, keep it fast. Yeah, it's exciting. Having been dealing with these different storage and data platforms that certainly have certain specialisms, we've been for about 2 years now bringing these together to provide the best of all worlds to all our customers, whether they want to run VMware or Hyper-V, whether they've got NAS services, fiber channel, whether they're small or large, small medium-sized business, or the largest Fortune 500 company. Whether they need performance, whether they need consistency, whether they need control, whether they need insight, we have products that really deliver the best. So what are we going to do? So intelligent infrastructure really means that we automate more of the data and storage environments. And by automating, we mean two things really. One is we're reducing the overheads on administrators. And two, more importantly, we're providing much better ways of keeping systems optimal and efficient. Our systems can see into the environment and detect anomalies, detect trends, much better than any human can. We want to take advantage of that, already started and pretty mature in the Tintri analytics technology, and we're bringing that into all our products. So what you'll see from DDN in the future, and as we move forward through 2021 indeed, you'll start seeing this, is not only better insights into systems, but much more importantly, much better insights into workload activity, what's happening in your environment, how applications and users, and in fact your organization is behaving when it comes to its attitude and interaction with data.